everyone, good day. Welcome to our video tutorial. Today we are going to teach you how to download and install Ubuntu and VirtualBox. But before that, let's first understand what is VirtualBox and Ubuntu are.
Hello everyone. So let's start with VirtualBox. VirtualBox is the virtualization software. Ibig sabihin, pwede kang mag-install ng ibang operation system sa loob ng iyong current computers. Parang nagkakaroon ka ng computer inside your computer. For example, kung Windows user ka, pwede kang mag-run ng Linux gamit ang VirtualBox. It's free, open source, and very useful for student and developer. Yes.
Thanks for that explanation, my friend. So,
Yes.
let's move on to Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux-based operating system. So, it is free, open source, and secure. Maraming programmers at IT students ang gumagamit nito kasi
Alright.
stable ito at saka magaan. Kung gusto mong matutunan ng Linux environment, perfect na perfect ang Ubuntu. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now that we know what they are, so let's proceed to the step
How
how to download and install all them.
Yes.
Salihin. Step 1.
Is Google Chromes. Yes.
Step 1, search
Search the
VirtualBox.
VirtualBox. Na diri yo. Then click this downloads. Yes. Okay. Then Windows man ta. Click this Windows host. Yes. Na-download na siya. Yes. Yes. Then step 2, mag-download na taon sa akong pag-download sa Ubuntu. Yes, search the Ubuntu. Ubuntu. Ay. Click this download Ubuntu desktop. Din ka na. Click this downloads. Yes. Yes. Mana. Na-download na siya.
Okay, go.
Okay. Then since natapos natin ito download, pupunta tayo sa downloads. Sa files. Then download. Then
Click VirtualBox.
click VirtualBox. So you can click here.
Okay.
Murag ninghang man siya.
Okay, go.
Click this yes.
So,
VirtualBox. Loading pa na siya. So
Bisa nga di.
why not?
Okay, next.
So next, click this. Next. Say next.
Bisa nga.
Ay, access. May pa siya ba nga?
I accept the terms of the go next.
Access. Next. Next. Yes. Yes. Waiting.
Bisa nga, di na may kumapasa na kuha na nga.
Sila, tulo.
Kina.
Upat. Ang isa kay nasa ilang boarding house.
Okay,
So finish. Click this. Hello.
Nusulo.
Ano siya? Unsay
Sa Martes
Kani.
man daw. Martes daw.
click
Ay,
this
Merkulis.
new go.
Place niyo. Kinaginan.
Click this new
New button.
new buttons
Then write a name.
Ubuntu.
After writing the name, you will go to proceed the next. Then you will set up this
Specific virtual hardware.
recommended screen. Then you can decide what number of CPUs. Pataki.
Grabe ka bata.
Di kilin.
Di.
Apa na ginani ko niya recommended yan. Next.
Next.
Finish.
Finish.
Then after that procedure, we're going to settings. Then click storage. Then find the empty button. Then after clicking the empty button, let's find the DVD icons. Then click the empty. It checks this file. Then we will find the Ubuntu. We will go to downloads. Then find the Ubuntu file. After that, you're going to click OK. After that, since we already set up the Ubuntu into our machine, we're going to click the start. And after that, as you can see, we're going to choose what type of machine we will going to get. So since we are downloading the Ubuntu, let's click the Ubuntu. Click capture. Ay, may capture gila. Click. Then you're going to click the capture. Ay, pidal mo. Enter. Wait for further for few minutes. Click.
Dayon.
So after this,
Stop ako. Nakato.
so let's pick the English. So
Kontrolangan lang.
Okay.
Kamay na pag dito yung gusturo mo. Asa daw nito?
Next.
So
Sa kanan yung tanong.
next
Next.
English next.
Next na.
Next,
Ay, isa.
do not connect to the internet.
Then since we're just isa. We're just downloading. We're just trying to download the Ubuntu in VirtualBox. We're just going to skip it. Skip.
So let's go to skip. Yes.
Then try Ubuntu.
Media siya.
It's done.
Roman.
So that's it. So again, we just finished installing Ubuntu. So
In VirtualBox.
in VirtualBox, yes. So
So
I
I hope
hope you understand what we are talking about.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for
Balik
watching.
TikTok.